I recently stumbled upon a jaw-dropping achievement, making money while you sleep, and not just any money. We're talking about those sweet, sweet dollars. It got me totally hooked, and I decided to dive deep into this incredible opportunity. And guess what? There's not just one, but a whole bunch of similar opportunities out there that could bring in some serious cash. The excitement from these discoveries got me fired up, and I'm about to take a giant leap into an exciting new business venture that's about to take off. We're about to tap into the immense power of AI to uncover those golden product opportunities, analyze data like a pro, and create top-notch content with the help of AI's brilliance. I promise you, it's going to be a game changer. If you're new here, we're absolutely happy to have you join our awesome community of financially savvy individuals. Don't forget to smash that like button below. It really helps us out. Also, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our mind-blowing updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Get ready to ride this wave to success. Don't worry, I've got your back when it comes to turning your idea into a top-notch product ready to generate passive income. Our journey will focus on Amazon KDP, a way to sell your books on Amazon without any upfront costs and earn royalties from every sale. The knowledge you'll gain from this video will empower you to create high-quality products that can excel on Amazon's platform. Let's prepare to embark on the path to success in the Amazon selling arena. Now, for those of you wondering about the types of books we're talking about, here's the deal. Step 1 is finding the perfect niche for our book. To make that happen, we're turning to ChatGPT to brainstorm some book ideas. One idea that stands out is creative writing prompts. These books provide writers with exercises to craft engaging stories. We're going to run with a similar concept, but before we dive in, we need to narrow down our target audience. To do that, we're heading over to Amazon and searching for creative writing prompts with a focus on kids aged 8 to 12. This strategy is going to reduce the level of competition and help us achieve approximately 1,000 search results. We've identified a potential niche that looks promising, and now it's time to determine if it's a lucrative opportunity. To assist with this process, we'll be using Jungle Scout, a paid tool that provides valuable insights. Fortunately, we've found that there's both demand and competition in our chosen category. What's exciting is that brand new listings have already started earning around $2,500 in just 2 months. With confidence in the niche's potential, we're going to thoroughly examine our competitors' listings. After conducting extensive research, we'll come up with a fresh approach. A creative writing book for kids aged 7 to 10, complete with 40 weeks of writing prompts. Each prompt will include a title, a brief description, and some artwork, setting us apart from the competition. Now, we have 2 major steps ahead of us: creating the book and publishing it on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. To streamline the process, we'll provide all the necessary information to a chatbot that will generate the book's main content, including the prompts for each week. This way, we're on track to create a top-notch product for Amazon KDP. Let's start by designing the book cover using Canva. We'll begin by observing other listings for ideas on book size. If they're using an 8.5 x 11-inch format, we'll utilize the Amazon KDP cover calculator available on Google. After calculating the dimensions, we'll obtain a template in PNG and PDF format. Now, it's time to create a custom design in Canva using the template's dimensions. To ensure accuracy, we'll use the PNG and ruler guidelines. Afterward, we'll draw inspiration from other book covers, making sure to keep our design clean yet eye-catching. We'll add the book title and any AI-generated artwork. To confirm the cover's fit, we'll overlay it with the PNG template with transparency, and then download it as a PDF for printing. For the book pages, we'll match the size to the cover and use free templates available in the description. We'll maintain a consistent and polished appearance throughout the pages. Then, we'll move on to creating engaging content for readers. Next, we'll craft a page to inform parents about the skills their kids will learn from the workbook. ChatGPT will generate these pages, including the week number, an enticing title, and the prompts. Each story will feature AI-made artwork, followed by 4-lined pages for jotting down details. Before finalizing, we'll ensure a thorough grammar check and utilize tools like Grammarly. Once all the pages look great, our book is ready to conquer the market. Now it's time to generate some captivating book titles. We'll assemble a list of high-traffic keywords from competitor titles, or by using tools like Jungle Scout. Then, We'll leverage ChatGPT to create catchy titles. After selecting our favorite, we can make any necessary adjustments, and we'll have an intriguing book title. With our masterpiece complete, it's time to move forward and publish it on Amazon. We'll begin by creating a free account on Amazon KDP and accessing the dashboard. We'll choose the book type, most likely paperback, and fill in all the necessary information, starting with the title and incorporating relevant keywords to attract potential readers. We'll also let ChatGPT create a compelling product description. Selecting the right book category and researching similar listings or competitor pages will be essential. We'll include relevant keywords and save our progress along the way. Let's go over the book content section. Choose the print option, either black and white or color, depending on your Canva masterpiece. Upload your book pages and cover. Once everything is in place, use the previewer to see how your book will look. If it looks good, approve the layout, save it, and move on to the final exciting step. Congratulations, you're about to share your creation with the world. On this page, you can set the price for your book. For example, if you list it at $17.99, you'll earn $4.59 on each sale. However, keep in mind that this might be considered low for a premium colored book, which has higher printing costs. After finalizing the price, click Publish. The Amazon team will review and approve the book as long as there are no issues. If you notice any errors during the review, don't worry. Just go back to Canva, make the necessary changes to the template, and re-upload the corrected version. You've started an exciting financial journey with us. There you have it, folks. We've reached the end of this amazing journey to financial success. If you've enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, make sure to give it a big thumbs up right down there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our next exciting content. We've got a treasure trove of strategies waiting for you in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Your financial well-being is our priority, and we're here to help you thrive. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.